Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. This is Shayan Amjad, and today I'm going to tell you something more about how you can proceed your calculations in Mathematica. In short, today we're going to learn some basics of Mathematica. This video is actually a chain of our previous video in which I told you how you can download and crack Mathematica, and then I also mentioned that I will have some more tutorials on Mathematica so that you can learn how you can proceed for calculations in this. So I will start this course from the very basic, and today we are just going to learn some basic operations in Mathematica, which are actually addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are four basic operations of mathematics which we learn to perform in Mathematica. So first of all, let's head towards Mathematica, and at the end I will also tell you how you can save your performed work in Mathematica. So let's start it. Okay, so let me create a new document, and let's have work on this. So just head towards our next slide. These are some basic maths operations in Mathematica. The very first operation is how you can perform addition in Mathematica. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, we know, but how we can perform this calculation in Mathematica? So for that, you just need to go towards Mathematica, head towards PPT file, and you can see we want to add 2 plus 2 and want to calculate what Mathematica will actually giving us the answer. So let's check it out what Mathematica is actually giving out answer. So you just need to write plus. This is this plus command is for every time you will have to use it when you are going to add up to 3, 4, 5 terms. You will have to use this command. So, and also make sure that the first letter of the plus is always capital. So plus square bracket 2 comma 2 and square bracket closed, and you will need to click shift plus enter simultaneously and you will get the answer. This is how you are going to perform a question in Mathematica. Again, let's have another question. Plus square bracket 6 comma 7 comma 8. In your better understanding, you can take comma here as a sign of plus, and then again click shift plus enter and you will get the answer. This is how you are going to perform different questions here. Now for next question, which is 8 plus 9 plus 10, you just need to write plus once again and 8 comma 9 comma 10, and that's it. Just click shift plus enter and you are going to get your answer. This is how you are going to perform a question in Mathematica. The next question is how you can perform subtraction in Mathematica. So in that case, you just need to change your the command in start, which is plus. You will have to replace this with subtract, and once again you will have to write the first letter of the subtract capital always, otherwise your question, your logic will not work. So now 2 comma 2. Now you can take comma as a minus sign and 2 minus 2. Just click shift plus enter. Every time you want to get an answer after writing your question in Mathematica, you just need to click shift plus enter and it will immediately give you the answer. So the next question is 6 minus 7. I have write these questions in very simple form so that you can understand in a better way. You just need to write 7 and shift plus enter and you will get minus 1. Similarly, 8 minus 9, you can take any function, any question for the sake of practice. So you just need to write subtract and 8 9, shift plus enter and you are going to get your answer. Now let me give you another example. Subtract and 10 1. I'm just trying to give you, this is actually very basic course and we will inshallah go towards in advanced too, and one day we will also will solve complex functions here on this platform. You just need to be connected with me, try to subscribe my channel and if you like the video, try to like it and give me your feedback too, that how we can improve this course. So you just need to click shift plus enter and you will get your required answer. This is how you are going to perform your all the calculations in Mathematica. So also make sure that you are saving your file along with your performing work. For that you just need to you just need to enter Control plus S. That's it. This is how you will be proceeded towards the file saving option. You just need to rename the file what you want. Actually, I am going to write it tutorial 1. Okay, and this is our first tutorial on the performing different calculations in Mathematica, so I'm renaming on that and just save it. Now your work is saved. Your work has been saved actually in Mathematica, and every time you will perform a calculation, in case if you don't want to lose the work, you just need to click Control plus N, and this calculations will be automatically saved in your computer. So let's head towards our next slide, which is how to perform multiplications in Mathematica. How you can perform multiplications in Mathematica. Again, you just need to replace your the command, which is for multiplication you will have to write times and times 2 comma 2. That's it. Shift plus enter and you are going to get your answer. This is for multiplication. Remember, the times command is for multiplication. For example, times 9. Again, the comma sign is acting as multiplication. You can take it as in this way so that you can understand in a better way and you can remember it for a long time. Again, click shift plus enter and you will get your answer. That's it. And click Control plus S so that your work is saved with every question you have been performing. The next is 15 multiply 85 times, once again times and 15 comma 85. Click shift plus enter and you are going to get your answer. You can again press Control plus save. I am just trying to repeat it again and again so that these commands are in your mind actually when you are performing a question. So this is how you can perform multiplications in Mathematica. And now how you can perform divisions in Mathematica. Once again, you just need to change your command. Actually, that will be, in that case, that will be actually let me cut out this extra file, this extra answer cut. Okay, in this way you can cut out the answer you don't want. So for division you just need to write divide and make sure the spelling of the your basic command is always corrected, and also the first letter of the command is capital. So divide and 50 comma, again your comma is acting as division sign actually. Square bracket close, shift plus enter, and that's it. You are going to get the answer. And for next question, division 100 comma 10, square bracket closed, shift plus enter, and now see, I have actually committed a mistake here in the command, and you can see my command is not working. So for that I will have to correct this, which will be divide actually. See, whenever your command is wrong it will be blue, and when it is correct it will look like normal. Again click shift plus enter and that's it. You are going to get your answer. This is how your different things will work actually in Mathematica. The next question is divide, square bracket open, 500 comma 2, square bracket closed, shift plus enter, and that's it. You have got the answer. This is how you can perform your work in Mathematica, and I'm again clicking shift Control plus S so that my file and all my this work has been saved here in Mathematica. So this is how you can perform different calculations. This is a very first and basic tutorial of some basic operations in Mathematica. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel for further videos and stay connected with me. Allah Hafiz.